Hello guys, welcome back to another Jam video, and today we are in a one got riffle. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry, fluffy peeps. No, the polar bear. Oh no, the polar bear. I don't know what happens. I know what happens. Oh god. There we go. I think all of us.
Why did you shut the blinds for, sweetheart?
I don't know. I just need darkness. Because I love darkness. Okay. Out is. I got some fluff. Guild. It's Gilda. GG. GG. I'll watch. And GG, I'll watch. I'm still recording though. Recording though. Say hi. I pick next game. I'm still recording though. How about lava? How about lava? Let's boy, huh? How about lava? Lava? Oh no! They're all. It should be fears. Oh freaking god! Oh no! She's just like, oh no! She does not. She probably doesn't have it. But I'm going back to my normal. Themed person. Going back. Sorry, but you didn't get to stay long. Sorry. Let's close. I usually do. The theme, I mean. I usually do. How is that theme? Lava. I am the most fearsome animal you will ever see. Well, the next theme is the theme. The theme is lava. The theme should be lava. I'm just sitting here watching. Oh god, my cold's coming back. I tried. It's a good job. I'll be watching in the corner. I'll be watching in the corner. Don't think I'm not here. I am terrifying. It's creepy. My scarf is coming out of the helmet. Oh, fear me. I will not fear you. I will be back. I'm Lava Monster. Roar! I don't give a crap. Okay. Yo, I wish my wasn't scam. Class 3 peeps are going inside. Nice outfits, my peeps. Nice outfits, my peeps. Heck yes. Hello. Is this pause? No, I don't think I'm just gonna pause. Nice outfits, I'm out. No, you look fantastic. This is the greatest costume. This is the okay. I'm not. Am I accepting buddy requests right now? I don't. Wait, okay, yeah, I'm not accepting buddy requests. Wimby souls. Wimby. I've. GG. 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 Aw, GG. Nice item too. All outfits are awesome. All outfits are awesome. All outfits are outfits. All outfits are awesome. All outfits are nice try. All outfits are awesome. How about okay? Let's see what she does with this one. I'm just a specter. I'm a okay. How about I'm just a specter? How about I'm just a spec? I'm just watching repost. Outfits are awesome. Rainbow. You know what I'm thinking? Gay pride. Gay Pride Day. Yes! I love Gay Pride, if you did not know. I guess you might think I'm gay, but I'm not. Well, I was never gay. Well, I used to. Just to give you a hint. Well, I was never gay, but I love gay people because they're awesome and they're cool. They're cool people. They're really cool. I'm going to lose this round. Cooking mama. Nice. Ugh. Later. I'm watching for this vid. 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 Now when I reach to 15, I'll have to say goodbye. We got 5 left, right? Yeah. 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 We got 5 left. What do you mean? You think we don't have 5 left? Do you not know how to count? Everyone knows how to count. Wait. Does everybody know? Yeah. Yeah. Just watching though. There, done. I'm just watching though. I'm just watching though. I don't have to leave. For what? A vid. Yeah, you should go check out my YouTube channel. It's so awesome. It's so cool. Oh no, it's not. It sucks. It sucks. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to edit this. This is awesome. This is great. This is sincerely great to have an awesome friend over here. Please don't be gone long. Don't be gone long. I won't. Okay, don't be gone. I'm probably out. You'll see. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know that. You don't know that. Hop is done. You don't know that. You don't know that. You might win. You might win. You might win. You might win. You guys tried your best. 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 Better hurry, please. You guys tried your best. Oh, I like the bunny's outfit. It's really cute. I like everyone's outfit. They're all so beautiful. I just love it. Ugh, I'm so jealous. No, I'm not jealous. I just like you know, sometimes I'm jealous of people that have rares, but, you know, I got the rare diamond spike collars. They're not even in stores anymore. They're probably going to be rare soon. Jeopardy theme plays. Nice outfits, you guys. Outfits, you guys. Nice outfits, you guys. Nice outfits, guys. Yeah, they're really good outfits. I like all of them. They're so beautiful. Baby souls. I knew it. I knew it. GJ though, that one was hard. GG everyone. GG everyone. GG everyone. GG everyone. Okay, I'm watching. Don't mind me. I'll just sit here. I'm just gonna sit here. Yep. Fluffy. You wanna pick next? Yep. Yay. Yeah. Well, my video will soon end here. I don't have an outro, so before my video ends, I go my vid ends. I'm gonna go before my vid ends. So we're going back to my den, which is locked, by the way. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more Animal Jam videos, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you so much for all the support you guys have gave me. I thank you a lot. I won't be accepting buddy requests anymore because I think I'm a YouTuber and I think all YouTubers I just don't want a big crowd at my den saying, please buddy me, please buddy me, please buddy me, when I already buddied someone that is one of my fans, and they might tell their friends that are a big fan of me. So that's like a big gigantic cycle. Now, if you're a big fan of me on YouTube, go ahead and hit that like button. Let's see if we can get to 50 likes today. And if I do get to 50 likes, I might give you a rare diamond spike collar if you play Animal Jam. And if you like this video and tell me that you subscribed, I will totally give you a shout out and you might win the giveaway. Thank you, and yes, I have a giveaway. Forgot to tell you guys, but anyways, hope you enjoyed this video and goodbye. Let's just wait for it to end. So let's just keep on dancing and let me do my sunglasses. This is the new outro. I don't even have an outro, so I might be doing different outros for my YouTube channel when I get older. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like I said, tell me in the comments below that you hit that like button really hard and say that in the comments, and you might win. And say something really nice to me, and I'll be liking comments, I'll be loving comments. So don't forget that. And yeah, and I hope you enjoy this video. And let me show you all the spike colors that are on here. There's an art piece that I am trading. All this stuff in my trade on my trade list is what I'm going to be giving away in the giveaway. So please like and subscribe to win. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll do another one pretty soon. I promise I will do it soon. So don't forget, and please like, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and wait until 15 hits. And